Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit and customize charts in Smallppt. Select the chart to open the editing panel on the right side. You can update all the chart data directly in the panel. To change the chart type, simply select a different option. You can fully customize the chart's visual style. Adjust the background fill, font color, grid color, theme color, and add or remove borders as needed. This allows the chart to better match your slide design. You can reposition the chart anywhere on the slide. Animation settings are also available. Choose from entrance, exit, or emphasis effects to control how the chart appears during your presentation. And that's how you edit and customize charts. Give it a try and see how easily you can customize your charts in Smallppt.